This is Dave Coast at AudioFormz. Today's a pretty exciting day. We have been working on this for many months. I know a lot of you have been waiting on it. This is our top for the Polaris Xpedition ADV, and I'd love to give you a little walk-around tour. Start here, you'll notice that it form fits our top. Our tops are all made out of hand-laid fiberglass. We've got a 40-inch light bar here on the front that looks real slick. It works with the OEM fold-up flip window. Comes across here. Most of the complaints that we've heard from the stock tops are the roofs are leaking, they don't hold air in, water's coming in. We eliminated that. The OEM roof is a 3-piece roof. We've got a 2-piece roof, but we've got it with an interlocking channel and seal so that no water gets in there whatsoever. So it'll be watertight and it's gonna hold your heat and air conditioning in a lot better. This particular machine and level that we have is our most extreme level. I believe this is gonna be called a level 10. So what I'm about to show you is we've got 8 10-inch Evo Pro 2 speakers in here with light rings. And then we've got a subwoofer box back here that's got our 2 15-inch DD audio subs. And like I said, this is our most extreme version of the top. This does take up the whole back space. The bass I'm about to show you is pretty incredible. We have other versions of this top that have subs in the roof, subs in the back, and all different configurations. But if you wanted to know what all's possible, this is it. Back here, we've got an addition to it, which is our 4 10-inch Evo Pro 2s facing outward. So if you want to pull up and party, pop it open in the back, play some music. I'm about to show you how we do that and what it sounds like. This is something pretty awesome. We've been around for 25 years now. We've been building these tops for a very long time, and this is our loudest production stereo that we've ever had. If you haven't seen our tops before, you're new to AudioFormz, all of the LEDs that you see in there are IC LEDs. I'm about to show you the app. We've got an app called AF LED. I'll show you this app. We can just select which color you want, and then the lights are gonna change the color. We've got modes that we can put it in where it'll run different modes like this. And the difference with IC LEDs versus just your old standard RGBs is they'll run patterns, kind of like you see with your whips and so forth. So you get a lot more cool functions here. I'll show you in the back. They're all doing the same things also. This particular unit comes with our Hertz Audison radio. It's an HMR 20. It's a full color screen. And then we've got your switches over here for the front light bar, rear light bar, and then you've got your dome lights. So there's the dome lights right there. And then you've got front lights and rear lights. And of course you can turn off the IC LEDs like this. You can also turn them off in the app. You can also use, we've got a standalone handheld remote that works also. Let me show you the front light bar and the rear light bar real quick. I'll turn both of those on. So there's our front light bar. It's very bright. It's a combo. It's got flood and spot. And then in the back here, there's our rear light. So our front light and our rear light come standard in all levels 2 and above. So any level that you buy 2 and above, it's gonna come standard with a front light bar, rear light bar, and dome lights. The things that start to change with the levels is what size the speakers are, how many amps, and so forth. This particular unit has got 5 amplifiers in it. So if you take a look right here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get a lot of questions. People say, how can you run a stereo this big on one of these machines? Our amplifiers are very efficient. This particular machine does have a battery upgrade, but nothing too crazy. If you do just our standard levels that we have online, levels 1 through 5, it'll work on an OEM battery. But you know, when you start getting crazy up here with 4 or 5 amplifiers, you would probably want to upgrade your battery some. So I guess I'm going to start with, you know, everybody wants to see what these 15 sound like. So I'm going to play something that's got a lot of bass. It's really hard to convey how well something sounds from a little microphone like this mic that we had attached to the camera. But in person, you can feel it in your lungs. You can feel it in your heart. It really hits hard. I'm gonna play a different type of music for you. Not everybody listens to the same kind of music, so I'm gonna play something else. I'll play some country music for you, just so you can hear how it sounds with, you know, without as much crazy bass.
Driving through the night, trying to keep my eyes open. The generator's busted and the AC's broken. I'm talking to the Lord, hope He helps us get there safe. And we made it to the show, now we're singing through the crowd and playing encore and it's screaming real loud. Try to get home early, but I know that ain't the case.
Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what it sounds like. A few things about this stereo: it does come with a 1-year warranty. It comes with lifetime tech support. So what that means is if you have an issue with it 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the road from now, we're still gonna answer the phone. We're still gonna help you out. We're still gonna figure out what's wrong and we can get you whatever parts you need to fix it. But if anything happens within the first year, give us a call. We'll send you the parts or whatever it would take to fix it. We don't really have a lot of warranty issues, but we want you to have the confidence that if you do buy it, we're gonna take care of you. In the video earlier, I showed it. It did not have the seat folded up, but I wanted you to know that the seat does fold up with this stereo. It's designed that way, so the seat can be fully folded up and function with all of your passengers as you want. If you'd like to get one of these, you can reach us online at www.audioformz.com. We'll put a link in the description. You could call us at 888-919-1990. I'm personally at extension 2 every day. Or you can get a hold of one of your great dealers. If you visit our website, we've got a dealer locator. We've got dealers all over the country that'd be glad to help you order it the way that you want. If you found this video useful, the best way to say thanks to me is to like and subscribe. We've got new videos coming out and all different kinds of information about what we build, and we'd love you to subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.